Today we are unboxing the Hoover LiNX cordless signature cordless vacuum, also called the Cordless Freedom. And let's have a look here. And just to open the top, lots of cardboard. Open that up. It looks like our charging units. It's pretty cool. And got our handy dandy handle, and this is the bottom roller brush, and then the actual base unit. Actually a pretty good size and pretty light also, considering I'm picking this up with one hand. And at the bottom of the box, which I almost missed because it was right at the bottom there, I found the battery pack. Okay, after unwrapping, we see that it's a pretty cool looking vacuum. You've got your section only and your brush roller section here. Once you connect it, I guess it puts it into power. You got your battery pack, and you have your main canister that's gonna hold all the dirt. And you have a charging station that charges in just 3 hours. Quite impressive. So the first instruction is to charge the battery for 3 hours before you even get started. So I will see you guys in about 3 hours. Going back to battery instructions, to charge the battery, you basically just pop it into the charger as we did there. And then to release the battery, there is this button here where you just pull it up and it'll release the battery from the charger. This way it doesn't come out of the charger until it's ready. I like the little blue light there, pretty cool, and it just plug and play, so you just fit it right in. While we're waiting for it to charge, let's look at the different parts of this vacuum. I see there's a filter in there, nice little sponge filter that comes through, and then you've got the canister. Nicely made because the pieces just fit right in. So sort of reminds me of a high-end vacuum. I'm not going to say the name of it, but hey, this looks pretty cool. And that just fits right in there. And the release clip is right here to release it, and to pop it back in is just popping it back in that way. The handle, we'll see, goes into the top of the vacuum like, whoops, pretty hard to do with the phone in one hand, but as you can see, it just clips right in. And there is a screw that comes with this, which is right there, which gets put into this little hole here, right there at the back. Pretty straightforward, putting the screw in, and you just need a screwdriver to tighten that up there. So just tightening that. Doesn't take too much to tighten, and voila, it is, the main piece is assembled. Now assembling the base and I'm just going to, the base here will go into the bottom part here. So when we pull apart the base, we can actually just put that in, and it's click and play, and you've got yourself. So the battery is fully charged, and we're going to install that into the vacuum here. The nice thing about this is that it just fits right in there, and I think we're good to go. I love the fact that it's nice and light, and let's look at some of the controls. We've got the battery meter over there. You got the section, between the section and the wheels over there. I actually really like this vacuum because you can actually switch from here to here. You just need the vacuum here, pick up some dust over there. Let's see what happens. Throw some coffee on the floor there. Oops, we've had a spill. Let's see how it does with this. Simulate a coffee spill, coffee grinds on the carpets. And so we've got coffee grinds on the carpet. Let's see how it does. That's with just a vacuum. Let's throw on the brushes. Beautiful. I like the fact that you can swivel and swirl around, and it goes under spots. It's lightweight. Everything is spun around in here. You got your battery meter over here, and all in all, I think it's a great machine. I really like it. Looks really sleek, and I think it passes the test. I think it's a great little machine. Highly recommend it.